Get a minute, guys. So, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. It's me, Tony Humphrey here. Hey! How are you? Yeah, so I'm doing a vlog with Pippin, my dog. Anyway, she's been a good girl lately. She's been really good lately. So, impressed with you. What was that noise? Get. Yeah, so I thought I'd do a vlog. If you're going to turn a game, I know I was going to do a stream on YouTube, but tonight I've been playing the backside. I mean, pain in the ass. Pain in the ass, excuse my language, but anyways, I thought I would put Pippin on a vlog. She has been in my video logs before, have you, Pippi? No. I thought she would go on some vlogs with me. I take her every day through the cemetery at our house. It's down at Victoria Road, so I take her through the cemetery. She don't win, I don't let her win. Or do but around the tree. Oh, just now I can see her. No, I'm joking, guys, I don't take her out daily. So if we're going out or something, and we do. Get in, baby. Good girl. Mind the car, Joe. Do I need... She hurt herself earlier. She needs toenails cutting. And she goes, oh. When she comes back, I'm like, yay, Pippin's back. Hey, Pippi. Hope she looks for a spot to go pee. Go on then, baby. Come on, Baba. Pippi, monkeys. Yeah, she's limping a little bit, but at the end of the day, don't forget to subscribe and comment, and adios.